Hello everyone and welcome back. This video will be quick. We are just going to talk about the DBUpdater. In our meetup and the software community stand up about best practice, there was a really interesting discussion about the DBUpdater and how, like, for example, myself, I never use it, and Jose, he used to use it all the time. So there are these two spectrum of these two sides of the coin, where there are a few people that use it all the time, and some ones like me that never use it. I used to all the time just use Navicat structure synchronization, and that will be to go. That will make my schema and create my database and so on, so on. And if I was using module info, for example, I was just going there and copy the contents of the module info table. But we have a couple requests about how the DB updater works, and we already have a Spanish video in hosted channel, so we decided to do this one quickly. So pretty much we have, let's say, this application, and if you see, the DB updater is the one who creates or update the database for your current application. And if you have the debug attached, it is showing that update functionality. So you, every time that you're iterating in your development work, that is actually triggering an update to the schema, database creation, and so on, so on. But in releasing after your application is deployed, it's too dangerous to have that functionality that anyone can update your database. So that's completely disabled in release. So the way to do that is pretty much, let's say that we are just doing the X copy, and let's build this just in case, and let's go with to the file explorer. Opening the other monitor, we go to the folder. We have here all of our files. We copy the files, and then let's say that we have right here. It doesn't have to be placed in installation. Let's say installation folder. So right there, we copy all our files, right? And while that is copying, I will go to my Navicat and delete the database. So there is no database about this file. So now when I try to run my executable, it will load to the login screen, and when I try to log in, it will tell me the database doesn't exist, so. And here is where the DB updaters get into play. Okay, right there, can connect to the specific database. So what we do here is we go to the DB updater, and no, that's not the one. Okay, this one, sorry. So we go to let me show you the whole path. To program files, the express version, components tool, express framework, DBUpdater. So we copy this to the same installation folder. Right? Let's see. And then we just call a command prompt. Here we're gonna call the DBUpdater, and we're gonna pass the config file. So our application is called demo localization, this way, config. So now it's going to update the database, create the database, or do anything they need. It's showing you the connection string right here. Sorry. Let's wait for it. And it will tell you please backup and everything on. Let's click enter. Now it should be creating the database. Database updated completed successfully. So let's click enter. It finished it. We can close this. We go to our Navigat. We refresh. We have the database here, and then we can log in our application, and we're good to go. Same thing will work for an update. Let's say you add a field, you add a relationship or anything else, you run the updater again, and you're good to go on your deploy application. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.